Exercise. We all know we should do it to protect our health. It cuts the risk of heart disease, cancer, diabetes and high blood pressure. The government recommends 2.5 hours a week, but this study suggests even a small amount can really make a difference. For someone who's completely inactive, the researchers found doing just 15 minutes of exercise a day lengthened their life expectancy by 3 years on average. And doing twice that much, half an hour or so a day, meant they could expect to live about 4 years longer. And the study says how hard you exercise also makes a difference. Doing 2 hours of more vigorous exercise, the kind of thing he's doing, is the equivalent of 4 hours of more moderate activity when it comes to the health benefits. But even the most simple things like walking to work will help.
So 3, 2, 1, and go.
At Birmingham University's Human Performance Lab, they research the health effects of exercise.
That's good, Matt. Almost there. Last 5 seconds now.
They say it brings about important physiological changes which protect our health.
It has effects on all the body's tissues, primarily the heart, the blood vessels and also skeletal muscle. And those adaptations that happen in those tissues are fundamental to reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes.
It doesn't matter what you do, and there are still benefits even if you don't start exercising till later in life. Getting active isn't always easy, but this is more evidence that even the smallest amount of exercise can really make a difference. Jane Hughes, BBC News.